Hi all of you. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. See, what you are thinking? Everyone is laughing. Yes, your pictures that I saw, it is very nice. Very good house everyone drew, most of you drew. What? Not only the house, a big garden also there. And I given star also, no? I given star. Correct? Yes, golden star I given for those who draw the picture very nicely and send. All of you are very good children. All of you are doing all the works also. But some means 4 or 5 children not given the picture, not send me the picture and I didn't see the picture. You just send me, you also send me, okay? All are very happy, no? Last day's class all of you understood. We studied about our house. We are living in our house and that house is very much, what we can say for that, we love our house very much, so that's why your pictures become that much nice, because you love your house. That I can see in that picture. So here we can start our new section, that is clothes. Our block name we already told, houses and clothes. In that houses we already completed. Next we are going to study about clothes. Okay, what? Clothes. When we are studying house, first we studied what is the need of, what are the different parts of house. But here we are going to study the second question first. What is the need of clothes? What is the need of clothes? So today our topic is clothes and what is the need of clothes. Can we study? See, you just imagine you don't have clothes to wear. So what we will do? Why we are wearing clothes? You just think about me and tell. Why we are wearing clothes? Yes, very good. To cover our body. To cover our body, we are using different clothes, different style clothes to cover our body. To cover our body, we are using clothes. Some more other things also. What are they? Then you just tell me. Last day's class we studied why do we need a house. We should get protection from rain, cold, sunlight, sunlight, thieves and animals. The same thing we are studying for the clothes also. We need clothes to cover our body and it gives protection from cold, rain, sunlight and insects too. And insects. What is insects? What is insect? Small living things, and sometimes it will bite us. Like mosquito, like mosquito, some of the small insects will bite us. From getting protection from that also we need what? Clothes. We need clothes. So here first we studied why we use or why we need clothes to cover our body. We use clothes to cover our body. To cover our body. This is the main need of clothes. And next, get protection from what all things? Cold, rain, sunlight and insects. Okay, sunlight and insects. So this is the main use of clothes. Clothes used to cover our body and we need to get protection from cold, rain, sunlight and insects. That's why we are using clothes. Understood all of you? Everyone? Okay. You just tell me why we use clothes. Yes, very good. One more time everyone together say why we use clothes to cover our body. We use clothes to cover our body and to get protection from cold, sunlight. Then what? Cold, rain, sunlight. And insects. Okay. All of you understood. Next, you just imagine that we are only using one type of dress. No, never that. See, we are using uniform to our school. When you are coming to school, you want to wear uniform. If it is your birthday, what you will wear? See, if it is birthday, we will wear what? Yes, color dress, very different type of color dress. For the birthdays, you are using different type of color dress. So, for the school, you are using uniform. For the school, for your birthday, you are using color dress. And when you are going for a marriage, you will wear party wear dress, very nice dresses. Okay. Then if you are going to a temple, you will use simple or temple or your mosque or somewhere, what you will do? You will wear very simple dresses. So, there is different type of dress that we are using in different occasions. Okay. Many different type of dresses, many different color of dresses that we are using in different occasions. Understood all of you? Then next. So, first we studied why we need clothes. Why we need clothes? Yes, we need clothes to cover our body and we need to get protection from sunlight, rain, cold and insects, and we are using different type of clothes in different occasions. Okay. Next, we need to study what are the different type of clothes. See, all of you know that we have or in our country we have different type of climate or we have different type of seasons. Okay. So, some days it is too hot, some days it is too cold, some days it is heavy rain. So, these all days we cannot wear same clothes. If it is heavy rain, when you need to go to outside, what you will use? You will use raincoat and umbrella. We will use raincoat and umbrella. Rainy days, if heavy rain or rainy days, what we will do? We should use what? Raincoat or umbrella. Then what you will wear in your leg? Yes, it is gumboot. That everything you already studied in UKG, no? Yes, gumboots, raincoat, umbrella, that all things we are using in rainy days. So, rainy season we need to use another. We use raincoat, umbrella. Raincoat and umbrella. Then if it is too hot, what we will call that season? Summer season. It is too hot, we should wear cotton clothes. Why? It is very sweat, so that sweat will absorb by this cotton clothes. Our sweat will absorb by the cotton clothes. So, we need to wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. Then last one, very cold. If it is too cold, we will call that season winter season, and in winter season we should wear woolen clothes like sweaters, gloves, etc. Why? Because sweaters and gloves like woolen clothes will keep our body warm. Keep our body warm. If it is too cold, we will start to shiver, no? So before that, if it is too cold, if we wear which type of clothes? Yes. What? Yes, woolen clothes. If we wear woolen clothes, it will keep our body warm. So we use woolen clothes. So what are the different clothes? In rainy season we wear raincoat and umbrella. We use raincoat and umbrella because it helps us to escape from the rain. We will not wet if we use these all things. Then summer season we use cotton clothes because cotton clothes helps us to absorb the sweat from our body. Then winter season we use woolen clothes because it is too cold, so woolen clothes will give us or keep our body warm. Understood everyone? So we studied today about why we need clothes and what are the different clothes we are using in different seasons. Okay. So here finish our third block. First we studied about the house, why we need a house and what are the different rooms in the house and what are the different parts of the house, and this section we studied what are the what is the need of clothes and what are the different clothes in our society. Okay. And one more time, can you say? Clothes we are using to cover our body and to get protection from cold, sunlight, rain and insects. Then different clothes that we are using in different seasons, that is rainy season we use raincoat and umbrella. Summer season we use cotton clothes because cotton clothes absorb the sweat from our body. Then winter season we use woolen clothes because woolen clothes keeps our body warm. Okay. Understood all of you? Then next, what is our work? Yes, next page 17, 18, 19 and 20 we completed. Then next we are going to do our workbook 21 and 22. Don't forget to write the date. Then next, you can see 3 different type of clothes here. Let us name of the clothes we can show. We can write here. First one, shirt. Second one, frock. Very good. Third one, pants. What are they? Shirt, frock and pants. Then why do we wear clothes? That we already studied, to cover our body and to get protection from sunlight, rain, cold, then insects too. Then last question, you can see one boy's picture here. Did you see that? Can you see? Look here workbook. See, when I am showing these all works in your workbook, you should check the workbook also. Okay. Before sitting in front of the class, you just take and keep your workbook or textbook and notebook with you. Then only you can do these all things fast. So here given the picture and question is this boy wearing clothes? Is this boy wearing clothes? Yes. He cover his body with a cloth. Correct? No? Yes. Then next question, next page. Don't forget to write the date. Then different clothes. What are the different clothes we are using in different season? See, you can see 3 pictures here. You just write in which season we are using this 3 clothes. First one is trousers. Trousers we are using in summer season because it is too hot, so we need to use small dresses. Then sweater. In which season? Yes, winter season. It is too cold, so we need to keep our body warm, so we are using sweaters. Then yes, frock or skirt. Summer season, skirt, trousers, then small sleeve, bunions, the t-shirts, that all things we are using in the time of summer season. Okay. Then next, what will happen if we wear a sweater in summer season? Why? If we wear a sweater we usually wear in winter season, because it will keep our body warm. Okay. But here is asking, what will happen if we wear a sweater in a summer season? Summer season means it is too hot and there will be sweat also, and it will be uncomfortable for us. So, if we wear sweater in summer season, we will become, or our body will become more warm, and it will not be good for our body. Then next one, why do your parents tell you to change your clothes before going to bed? See, when you are going to bed, your parents will tell you just change your dress and use loose clothes. Why? See, when we are sleeping, we are not at all doing any work. Our body all will take what? Will taking rest. So, we should use loose clothes. That's why our parents are telling, don't use tight clothes when the time of going to bed. So, that work also finished. So, you just do the works properly and send to me that. I am correcting and sending. Now, how many of you getting golden star? Those who are correcting, those who are writing neatly and sending the works, I am giving golden stars, no? You just count and keep how many golden stars you got, okay? So, here we are going to wind up our today's class. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.